In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide extensions in Google Chrome. If your Chrome toolbar feels crowded, trimming it down can instantly make browsing calmer and more focused. The great news is that you can hide extension icons without uninstalling anything. The tools still work when needed. You're simply clearing the visual clutter from the bar at the top. Start by locating the extensions icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece and sits to the right of the address bar, alongside your other icons. Click it once to open a tidy list of all the extensions you've installed. You'll see each extension by name, and next to it, a small blue pin that controls whether its icon appears on the main toolbar. To hide an extension from the toolbar, click that blue pin. When the pin turns gray, Chrome removes the icon from view, but the extension itself remains active behind the scenes. This is perfect for tools you rely on occasionally, or ones that don't need to take up space all the time. Think of it as putting a frequently used item into a drawer rather than leaving it on the desk. There's another quick way to hide an icon from that same list. Click the three dots next to the extension's name and choose Hide from Toolbar. The result is the same. The icon disappears, giving your toolbar a simpler, cleaner look. Many people like this approach to keep only everyday essentials visible while the rest stay neatly tucked away. Don't worry, nothing's gone. Anytime you need a hidden extension, click the puzzle piece again to open the list and select the tool you want. Because everything stays organized in one place, you can get to it in a couple of clicks, without scrolling through a busy toolbar. A cleaner toolbar can speed up decision-making, make small screens feel roomier, and reduce distractions during work, calls, or presentations. It's a small tweak that adds up to a smoother browsing experience. If you're sharing your screen, this simple cleanup also keeps personal tools out of sight and makes demos look more professional. Remember, you can change your mind anytime. These choices are reversible, so feel free to experiment until the toolbar shows only what helps you stay on task. That's all it takes. Open the puzzle piece, use the pin to hide icons, or use the three-dot menu to choose Hide from Toolbar, and then return to the puzzle piece whenever you need quick access. Enjoy your streamlined setup and a more focused workflow.